Propolis is a fascinating and unique substance created by bees. However, there are a few misconceptions about this useful substance. One of these is that it is simply a type of honey, but this is not the case. It is actually its own distinct mixture that bees create by combining their saliva with different parts of plants. This waxy resin, known as bee glue, is used by bees to repair their hives by sealing openings and cracks. This allows them to stay safe from predators and harsh weather conditions. Some beekeepers will even go out of their way to create propolis traps by creating holes in the hive, which then triggers the bees to patch these holes with propolis, allowing the beekeepers to harvest more of this resource. The composition consists mostly of resins and waxes, but it also contains some essential oils and other organic compounds. Propolis is soft and sticky when it's heated and then will harden when cooled. There are many different colors depending on what it is made from, but it's usually going to be darker in color. As you can see, there's even red propolis, which is made from mangroves and other plants. Propolis acts as an external immune system for bees to keep out infections. This is why bee glue has been used for thousands of years to treat a variety of symptoms. It has been used as an antiseptic by the Incas, for wound healing by the Greeks and Romans, and for embalming by the Egyptians. The Soviets even used it in World War II to treat tuberculosis.
Now you may be wondering how to use or even obtain propolis, and the good news is that it's sold in many health stores and you can easily find the product online on stores like Etsy. However, the best way to find high-quality propolis is to ask a beekeeper directly. It is commonly sold in a variety of different forms, including mouthwashes, toothpastes, sprays, throat lozenges, and creams, but propolis extracts and raw propolis may be the best quality and are available for purchase too.
While it's safe for most people, you should avoid it if you're allergic to other bee products or if you're going to have surgery, since it may slow blood clotting. There are also mixed opinions on whether it should be avoided when taking birth control. As with any supplement, it's important to follow the recommended dosage and instructions on the packaging. However, the normal recommended internal intake of propolis is usually around 400 to 600 milligrams a day. I hope this video helped you develop a better understanding of what propolis is and how you can buy it and use it. Make sure to check out my other video about the many benefits of propolis, and thanks for watching.